Hello and welcome. We're going to do some magic today for you. And, in magic, the one thing you're not supposed to do is tell people the secret. I'm going to kind of give that away today. Now, I can get in trouble for doing that. So please don't tell anybody I'm doing it. And the fact that it's being recorded is maybe a mistake. But how many of you would like to see a card trick? Do you like cards?
Yes.
Yay! Yeah, well, I don't do card tricks. We're going to do some coin tricks instead.
Okay. Even better.
And we'll take them out. Now this is really just to start off to see how much you're paying attention. Because I have a silver coin. I don't know if you can see that. And I have a copper coin. Okay? And it's called the 2-coin trick. And do you know why it's called the 2-coin trick?
Wow. 2 coins.
Oh, you've been following along very well. Okay. So would you do me a favor? Name either the copper coin or the silver coin.
Copper.
Copper coin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the copper coin out. Now that's the one that you named, right? We're going to take that and I'm going to put it in my pocket, which leaves what coin here?
Silver.
Okay, now remember we said it's called the 2-coin trick. That's why we have 2 coins. We always have a copper coin and a silver coin. Okay, I'll go a little bit slower for you. Maybe it's the lighting and you can't see very well. So would you name either a copper or silver coin?
Silver.
So he's going to change it up and go with the silver coin. So I'll take the silver coin out. Watch very carefully. It goes into my pocket. What coin is left?
Copper.
No, you're not paying attention.
Silver.
I said this is the copper 2-coin trick. Copper, silver 2-coin trick. Now I'm trying to go slowly, and I know you're watching carefully, but maybe again, if I go even slower, okay, I'll take the silver coin and I'll put it in my pocket. What coin is left?
Copper.
Okay, no, I have copper and silver. Maybe the problem is you can't see the difference between the copper and the silver. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it's not the lighting. Maybe it's not paying attention. Here we go. Would you do me a favor and would you name either the copper or the silver?
Silver.
Silver, okay. So I'm going to take the silver coin out and I'm going to put it right next to you over here. Okay, on your side. So the silver coin is here, right? And the copper coin is here, correct?
Yes.
No, that little copper.
That look
That
copper.
look-
This
Copper.
is no. This is a silver coin.
Okay.
So that is the problem. You can't tell the difference between the 2 coins. So I just have 2 coins. That's all I'm asking you to follow.
Okay.
You're paying attention? Okay. Here we go. So next to you, name one of the coins. Name one of the coins.
Copper.
Copper. Okay. I think that's what you said last time. So I'm going to take the copper coin and put it over here next to you on this side. What coin is left over?
Silver.
You haven't been paying attention. Anybody else?
Copper.
Pocket.
They're both there.
Both of them.
Okay, first of all, if you're not paying attention, we're not going to keep going because you're just not,
I don't understand. You're pulling. She said copper. You're pulling the copper.
and there's no what coins left.
Coins.
So you'll catch
Yeah,
up a
the
little
card.
bit later in the show. It'll
The
take
whole
about 10
card.
minutes to.
Okay.
I'll tell you what. Well, we're going to make it a little more complicated. But remember I said I'm going to show you the secret to some stuff?
Yes.
Okay, so this time we have 4 different kinds of coins. Okay? We have some English coin, not sure what it is. We have one of these gold Saskatchewan, whatever dollars, a quarter, and some type of Asian coin. All right, would anybody like to examine them before I begin?
Yeah.
That's too bad. All right. No, go ahead. Take a look at them. And then after you look at them, pass them right back. It's only a half-hour show.
Yeah, they're real.
All right. They are real coins. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 coins, right? Now I do this with short sleeves. The reason I do it with short sleeves, because people always think it went up his sleeve. Right? You've heard that before. Watch carefully as we take the coins, and I'm actually going to shoot them up my sleeve. Watch. And there's 1 coin.
What?
Okay? Now, you may not have seen it, and you're not supposed to repeat stuff, but I'm going to repeat it for you. Okay? Now, I told you how it's done. You just have to watch a little closer. Okay? So here I have 1, 2, 3 coins, right? And what do I have here? The Asian coin, right? Here we go. Can you hear the coins?
Yeah.
You can hear them? Can you hear them over here?
Yeah.
That's because they're closer to you now. So now there's 2
What?
coins over here, and there's 2 coins over here. Okay? I think I still need to go slower. You're still thinking about the copper silver
Do you
coin,
want us
right?
to tell you if we know what it is?
Well, I'm telling you it's going up my sleeve. Just watch carefully.
Okay.
Because you're going to help me in just a second, okay?
Okay.
Here we have 1, 2 coins here, and we have 2 coins here. Are you ready? Are you ready? How many coins are here?
2.
2.
Are you sure?
No, there's probably 1.
No, there's 2 coins.
Okay.
Come on. You gotta pay attention. That's the quarter. That's the dollar. I'm having a hard time picking it up off the table. Watch carefully. Yeah, didn't work. Do me a favor. Would you just reach over and tug on my sleeve over here? There we go. You heard that noise? Now there's 3 coins there, and there's 1 coin here. This is where you're really going to be of great use to me. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Both of you, thank you, yes. Okay, would you reach forward? Just put your hand right out here, a little further. Put the coin in your hand, close your hand. Keep your hand right here. Would you reach forward, please? 1, 2, 3 coins here. A little further, you gotta be right in frame here. Put those 3 in there, close your hand, turn it over, just like that. Would it be amazing if your coin vanished and you had 4 in your hand? That'd be impossible, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Open your hands. That would be impossible. I can't do that, okay? You're right, it was
I
impossible.
was about to be bamboozled,
Wow.
Come a little closer over here. Come a little closer over here. Okay, you're gonna help me, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do the same thing, but this time I want you to grab my wrist. Grab really tight. Okay? Don't let go.
Okay.
Put your other hand around it, just to make sure. Okay? You're gonna hold on to these 3. Keep your hand up here. We'll keep the hand over here. Hold on tight. I need my finger. Yeah, I need my finger. Turn your hand over. Watch very carefully. Just like that. Did you feel anything?
No.
Here, I'll do it again. Did you feel anything?
No.
That's weird because I tapped you each time.
Oh.
Okay. I did this once to somebody who was a paraplegic, and it was kind of embarrassing because I tapped them and they said, "Oh, I don't feel it," and then I.
Oh man.
No, that can't be. If they were paraplegic, they wouldn't be able to feel to begin with, right? So what I did instead was,
Sorry.
Did you feel anything?
No.
Did you want to?
No.
Okay, look. There's no coins here. Yours is gone. Open your hand carefully, slowly. Count the coins out.
That's insane.
1, 2, 3, 4 coins.
That's insane.
All
Very
right.
good.
Thank you. Thank
Wow.
I'm watching really close.
Yeah,
I
me
don't see
too.
it.
you. You're watching very close. You didn't see it. Okay, I'm going to tell you the secret. Well, first of all, I already told you the secret that the coins go up my sleeve and they come around. I thought I had. No, I have it over here. See this quarter right here?
You cuff it in your
That's
hand
the
up.
that's the trick quarter. That's how I do it. It's a trick quarter. A lot of people don't realize it's a trick. That's not the trick one. Hold on just a second. That's the trick one. And if you
Right.
see, it's a little bit different. No, that's not the trick one. Hold on. That's
Keep
no.
going.
I keep putting them away. You can take a look at it. Go ahead and look at it.
Oh no, I believe you.
Oh yeah, because that's how you pull them apart, just like this. And that's how it works. That's the whole secret. When you put it over here, they think you put it over there, but you really don't put it over there. It goes back to here. And he's looking at me like I'm crazy. Anyway,
No,
let's...
I'm intrigued.
Okay.
They won't be able to
We're
sleep
thinking real
tonight.
crazy.
All right. Let's go ahead and do something with cards. Now, cards are interesting because a lot of you see trick cards for sale and things like that. So I'm going to let you look at the cards before I begin and show you there's nothing in the box. Okay? All right, and who would like to shuffle the cards? Anybody?
Absolutely.
Anybody at all? She's
I'm not
reaching over.
shuffling.
I'm not sure I trust her. Go ahead. Take the cards. But wait, before you take the cards, let me show you how to shuffle cards. Just in case you don't know. There's different kinds of shuffles. First of all, there's the Russian shuffle. I'm not very good at this, but it's one card Russian after another. Okay, that's the Russian shuffle. Then we have the moronic shuffle. Looks like this. You want me to show you again? No, you got it. Okay, good. I was worried. All right. We have the Jewish shuffle. Maybe you haven't seen that. That's where
That's what I
you go like this
That's what I do.
and they pass over. Get it? They pass over.
Get it, guys? Pass it.
All right. Would you just reach forward and just cut the card somewhere?
Put it here.
Very good. And I didn't tell you where to cut, did
Nope.
I?
Nope.
Anywhere, top, bottom, middle. All right. Now we.
That was a moronic.
That was moronic. Let me show you though. They are all different, but I am an honest magician. And let me tell you why I'm an honest magician. And I can mix them up in front of you. It doesn't make a difference. These cards are marked. Not many people will tell you that.
Okay.
Yeah, they're marked. They're all marked with a different suit, different letter, different number. But this side's all the same. You don't have to worry about that. I don't want you to worry about that. All right. Okay. So we'll mix them up. And we're going to have someone pick a card. Who would like to pick a card? Anybody? You want to pick a card?
Yeah, I want to pick a card.
I'm a little worried. Okay. Let me just show you again. When I mixed them up, you don't see a whole bunch of cards next to each other or anything?
I believe you.
Okay. And you're going to have to reach forward, though, because I want it to be in the
Yeah.
camera. I'll move this out of the way. And I'm going to have you pick one card. Just go ahead and take one out.
Any of them?
Yep, just any one you like. Today.
This one.
Okay, that one. All right. Now, let's take a look at that. You picked the 7 of spades. I knew you were going to pick that card. Isn't that amazing?
Amazing.
Of course, I had you pick it face up so I would know, right?
Yeah.
But in the deck, there is only one card that matches this. So there's only 2 red kings, right? There's only 2 red 8s, right? There's only 2 black 7s. So out of all the cards face up, you pick this card. And remember I said I left one card in the box?
No way.
Wait a minute.
7 of spades.
I said there's no, it can't be the 7 of spades. It'd have to be the 7 of clubs. But I showed the box empty. But somehow, there's one card in the box, the only matching card, the 7 of clubs. Okay, now you want me to tell you how some of this is done?
Yeah.
Okay, I know you didn't believe me when I talked about earlier cards go up my sleeve. But what happens is every card weighs a different amount. So for example, if I showed you a 4 of hearts and I showed you a 2 of spades, which do you think weighs more?
Hearts.
Well,
There's more
the
ink.
4 hearts, because there's more ink. That's right. Okay? And if I showed you a 6, which weighs more of these two?
6.
The 6 you're catching on. Here's where it gets tricky. If I show you 2 black 6s, they weigh about the same amount. Same amount of ink. Now red ink, let's see if we can get a red 6.
Lighter.
All right. That's right, it's lighter because the ink is thinner. Okay? So what happens is when you take a card out of the deck, I can feel the weight difference. You're looking at me like I...
You ain't got no weight.
Okay, go ahead and take out another card. You're going to have to reach forward so
Okay.
everyone can see
Okay.
it. And just set it on the table. Don't even look at it.
Okay.
Just grab one out of there.
Okay.
Today. Was it that one?
Keep going. No,
Here,
keep
let me
going.
let me
Keep
make
going.
it even easier
Okay.
for you. Like this. Go ahead, take out a card. Any card you want. You're going to be a difficult one, aren't you? I can tell.
I've seen
He's,
some street magic before.
oh yeah. You've seen tricks on the street. That's something different. Okay, here we go. Just take one out.
Okay.
You have to grab it. Okay, don't let me see it.
Okay.
Okay, so you've got one card, right? I'm going to turn away. You can show anybody you like.
Bad.
Then go ahead and put it back in the deck and mix them up.
Mhm.
Did you mix them up?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Didn't even put it back in the deck.
Put it back in the
Put it
deck.
back in the deck and shuffle.
I didn't say
Oh,
shuffle.
shuffle.
No, go ahead and say if you want to shuffle. All right.
I'm not shuffling because I'm embarrassed at it. So.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix them up just a little bit. Okay, so you picked one card, and I already know what card it is because I felt the weight of the deck change when you took it out. Okay, now I can already tell that your card is the color of a cherry, correct? Is that right?
No.
A black cherry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
I know it's amazing.
Yeah.
Please hold your applause. Okay. And let me just show you. I didn't put the card. If you see your card, don't say anything.
Oh.
But I didn't put them in any certain order. You put them back. I can mix them up in front of you. Doesn't make a difference. I've got your card. I know it's a black card, and I believe picture, number, picture, number, picture. I believe your card is a picture card, correct? Picture would be Jack, Queen, King, like that.
No.
So it's a picture. It's a picture or a number
It's a
card,
number
right?
card.
That's what I said. A picture or a number
Yeah,
card,
number
right?
card, yes. Number.
I'm gonna cut the deck, and I think I'm gonna be able to cut right to your card. Here we go.
No way, dude.
Just like that. Now I haven't seen it. You'll be honest with me, right?
Yeah.
It was a number card.
Yeah.
Kind of a middle, not way at the top, not way at the bottom.
Yeah.
I think you were a little dishonest with me because you said, when I said it was the color of a cherry, your card was the 5 of diamonds, and you said it was a black card. So that was your card, right? The
No.
5 of diamonds?
No.
Seriously?
Seriously, it wasn't.
Give me a second chance, okay?
Okay.
It's not very impressive when you don't get it the first time, but I think I can cut to it this time. Here we go. Just like that. Because this is my finale, so if this doesn't work out, it looks pretty bad. Your card was a number card. Black card, even number card, correct?
Yeah.
Your card, the 2 of spades.
No.
So I got pretty close there. I mean, got it my second time, maybe not my first time, but I got the 2 of spades. That was your card, right?
No.
Seriously?
Seriously.
This is not a great ending. What was your card?
8 of spades.
It was an 8 of
Eight of
spades.
Wait a minute, that's the first card I showed you. The 8 of spades. Wasn't it?
What did I show
No, it was
you?
diamonds.
Diamonds. 4 diamonds, wasn't it?
This card was the 8 of spades that I showed you first. I'm pretty sure
What
It
the
was the
heck?
ace.
Oh, what
Spades.
the?
All right, thank you. If you enjoyed it, let me tell you this. If you enjoyed it, my name is Corey Friedman. If you didn't enjoy it, it's Fred Smith. Okay, so remember that. All right. Have a great night. Thank you very much, everyone.
Can you show us?
Thanks, Fred.
You can look at the deck.
Can you show us how to do some of these